and then I like a bit of gravy to pour over the top, okay? So you've got the best gravy in the world will come out of here, alright? That will be heavenly. And in the time that it takes me to roll out this pastry, that'll be fine. Now, as far as pastry is concerned, I made puff pastry for years, and I can promise you the last thing I'm going to do at Christmas, in actual fact any time of the year, is make puff pastry at home. If you buy some half-decent, all-butter puff pastry, this is great stuff. Bit of flour over the top, get yourself a rolling pin, and just start to roll it out. I took this out of the fridge about half an hour ago, so it's not rock solid. And I want to show you a little tweak that is going to make this the best pastry ever. What I'm going to do is get some chestnuts. Now you can get chestnuts in jars like this, or you can get them backpacked, which are really, really good, or just toast off your own ones. All you need is about 12. I'm just going to scrumple all of these on here like this. And then a couple of sage leaves. Go like that, and then close it up again, press down, right? And then all I do now is reasonably carefully roll it back out. And what this will do is it will give you a layer of incredible chestnut in the middle of your pie. Chestnut pastry, whenever you ever had that before, brilliant. You can see the chestnut just coming through, and the sage. So I'm going to roll this little darling up, like that. And then from the sieve, you can see now why I've drained it, because what we've got is an absolutely heavenly dollop of sweetmeats and turkey. This pastry will go straight on the others. What I want to do now at this stage is just tuck it in. Nice going to bed, hello. Give it a little bit of cuddle. I'm going to let the weight of the knife score it. What I want to do now is egg wash the little beauty. Give it a little egg wash up. The thing I love about this is it is dead simple, and when you do it, it looks dead impressive. Right, so there you go. I'm going to whack that in the oven, and that will double in size, and I'm hoping that will be beautiful. Right, have a look at this little darling. And there's something about puff pastry that always smells fantastic. I've got some frozen peas I've just boiled up, a little bit of butter, squeeze of lemon, salt and pepper. Oh, don't get the gravy. Got loads of it, look at that. So, what I want to do is just stab straight through in here. And look inside there. And you can see why I drained off that gravy. One, to have gravy to go on top, but two, you can see how lovely and dense that is. And it's almost cooked into the pastry. Delicious. Just a little spoon of rolled peas, and then of course, some proper gravy. Now that is a brilliant Christmas sweetmeat Kentucky pie. Look at that. You are kidding me.
Festive entertainment sponsored by Ready, helping make tummies happy this Christmas.
You'll find great deals for the whole family at Halfords. This is our lowest ever priced widescreen TomTom with European maps. Now only $79.99. That's better than half price. And you can listen to your favourite iPod tunes through this Sony stereo for only $49.99. That's also better than half price. This next base in-car DVD player is only $59.99. Our lowest ever price. And we've got a huge range of scooters in-store and online from $9.99. That's helpful. That's Halfords.
When you play the Game of Thrones, you win, or you die.
The TV sensation